Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Welsh and this is your Health 106 class. Welcome back to campus to your new semester. It is the spring, and as much as I would enjoy teaching you in person, that's just not possible at this time. We would be in our classroom in the MAC and working out on equipment and running around the track and doing a lot of fun things, but you're going to have to be creative on your own, and we'll make it a lot of fun and educational at the same time. I need to cover a couple of things first. Obviously, you found the video on your coursework on the portal, and you will also find a quiz. This is the routine we're going to develop. Every week will be labeled a unit, your unit 1 through 16, and you watch a video and then you'll take a quiz. Often it's just a video that I'm posting on the topic that we're discussing, and often it's just me getting on and teaching to you. I won't have any feedback, so it just got a little difficult for me, but hang in there. If you have any questions, any concerns, please just email me. I'm on campus almost every day, and my office number is at the bottom of my emails, and I'm always available to you. My office number is on the syllabus as well. So just to cover some basics, first of all, your attendance is expected. Asynchronous means that we are online the entire time. There are no Zoom classes, no in-person classes. These assignments will be assigned once a week. Every Wednesday you'll get a new one. So today is Wednesday, or this is being made to be posted on Wednesday. So it's getting posted on Wednesday. You'll have till next Wednesday to view it and take the quiz. The quiz opens on Wednesday, shuts on Wednesday. So if you don't get your work done, then you are counted as not attending class and not getting your work done. Quizzes are real quick and easy. They're just a few questions about the video and a review of the health information that I'm trying to get across to you. So with that being said, if you miss 2 classes, at that point we do have to report you as not attending class, and you will be contacted, and hopefully we'll get you back on course. But if something comes up in your life, if you're having issues, I know your core courses tend to consume a lot of your time, and I often hear that my class is forgotten, but please just reach out to me. I'll work with you. We will have a time where we can do some catch up, and we'll get it done. So the course is all about having fun, learning fitness, getting healthy, and taking some life skills back into your life, and walking away with a little more knowledge. So what is next is the fact that you do not have to worry about the textbook if you have not purchased it. I can supply you those materials. If you have purchased it, all better. We will be working from that as a structure, or as a guideline. So lots of good information. We'll be extrapolating some quizzes and some questions from the book, and getting to know some more good information. We'll be discussing fitness, exercise, food and nutrition. We'll have a video presentation by somebody from Giant. They'll walk you around the grocery store, or talk you through the grocery store, since COVID's really wreaked some havoc on some of our habits and some of our opportunity to get out into the world. So we'll also discuss setting healthy goals, cardio health, and preventing cardiovascular disease. We'll talk about flexibility, some exercises to do to keep flexibility, body composition. I'll give you the equation to figure out your body composition. If you have any goals, we'll talk about setting SMART goals and hopefully achieving those goals. What we can do is we can start off and set some goals for the semester and see if after 16, 17 weeks you can achieve those. And then, of course, with that being said, we'll be creating a wellness plan, and probably most importantly, we'll be discussing stress management. I know this time during COVID has been very stressful because it has changed our lives tremendously. Obviously, the world of education has changed. For one, we can't be in person. Some of you are juggling you know, your core courses, your programs, all your gen eds online, and trying to keep up in a new way of learning and new way of educating. So we'll discuss stress management for sure. But if you have any issues at this point, you can always reach out. I look forward to teaching this class. I'd rather, like I said earlier, rather be in person, but we'll make it work and we'll have some fun while we do it, and we'll achieve some of your goals. So now take a look at your syllabus, review the information. Then I want you to go to the quiz that I've posted online. It's a few questions that I wanted to learn about you. Since I can't meet with you, and often I really don't talk or see my students when I'm teaching asynchronously, so I do ask a couple questions. I'd like to get familiar with if you're home, if you're on campus, if you have a favorite of food of some sort, if you have any goals. So I'm going to ask a couple questions as the quiz this week. So turn me off now and get yourself to the quiz and take that quiz, and I'll find out more about you. And throughout the course, you'll learn more about me. I do like to exercise. I like to run. I do run half marathons and marathons. I like to stay healthy. I like to eat healthy. I do eat unhealthy every once in a while. And so, you know, I'll just continue to share some of the things about myself, and hopefully get to know all of you in some capacity. So you have a great week. Once again, any questions, any issues, reach out to me, and I look forward to being your health instructor. Take care.